Hey Henry and Aaron, today we are going to start working on our power words for our 2G books. Inside your reading and writing notebook, you will have a worksheet that looks like this. This is the first page, and here is the second page. Okay, so each day you will have an activity, and today is day 1. So what we're going to do today is write your words on index cards. So Miss Esther has placed some index cards in a basket in the front of the room, as well as you have your crayons. So you're going to be learning 15 words this week. So you will need to get 15 index cards, and you are going to write each word on one card. So let's go through our words real quick. About, from, his, off, some, animal, fun, home, stop, as, gave, house, or take. So you're going to get 15 index cards, and you're going to write one word on each index card. And then you're going to use this week to practice your words. So go grab your index cards and pull out your worksheet, and let's write a word on each index card for us to practice.